everybody.
Hello.
Tis Nessie here with Taking a Peek Theater. I am Tis Nessie, as I already said. I've barely even been here and I'm already screwing up. All right.
And that's
So
why you're
today, yes. Oh, you want to host the games yourself?
You're
Goodbye.
back. You're hired again.
Today, we are going to be playing a game called Sound Effects. So,
Ooh.
Skye and Isaac, respectively, are going to be doing a scene together. I am going to be playing the sound effects in the background that they gotta incorporate into the scene, as well as justify them for being there. To start things off, I am going to pick a relationship from a random wheel that I have off to the side. You cannot see because you can hear my audio, so you can hear it if you want. And if you yourself have any suggestions for a relationship for a future video, you can comment them down below. Or even better, you can take a look at the Google Doc in the description down below. And we may use it in a future video for the next season. So please keep it appropriate. Don't list anywhere that you wouldn't be comfortable taking your in-laws to. So we're going to start things off with a wheel of relationships. All right. So you are going to be next door neighbors.
Ooh.
So this will be fun. If you guys are actual next door neighbors, now you guys get to live it out. All right.
We're living out our dreams.
Yes, absolutely. All right.
All right.
I don't know where I would be in that. I'd probably be living across the street or away from you for firing me. Whenever you're ready.
The scene
Now. So what?
Okay, Carl, don't forget to leave your bins out on Tuesday, okay? Yeah.
Okay. That's okay.
Hatchets over here.
I'll put the bins out. It's fine.
Well, I know it's not. Dang it. Sorry, I forgot today's Tuesday. They picked it
They've
up
already
early.
passed, huh?
Yeah, sorry about that.
I told you one thing. I asked you to remind me when I need to take the bins out.
I know.
One simple task.
Yeah, my therapist has been telling me to tend to my own garden, and right now I'm trying to do that. Okay?
Yeah, well, it's dying. All
I
right?
know it's
dying.
dying. Okay, a lot of things in my life aren't going. All right, is that your phone?
Yeah, I know.
What did I tell you about paying your phone bill after you give me the money? I know I'm your neighbor, but I'm also your landlord. Okay, you need to stop frivolous.
I need my phone, okay? I just got a text. And
What was that?
what was that? Who's honking at us? Show yourself.
Show yourself. Is it
Ethan.
Goose? Ah, there he is.
Goose.
There he is. Help me. Okay.
Oh no, it's going for the garden.
No,
Tend.
Get out of here, Goose. Oh no, that's a Canadian goose. I'm scared it. Alright,
I'll catch it. What? It's beeping. It has a little weight. This is a robo-goose. Somebody's trying to ruin your garden.
Thank you for saving me. They know I was afraid of geese.
Oh my gosh.
It's the robots!
It's the robots! They're the reason we have to take out the chair.
They're trying. They're mad at us for polluting the planet. They're trying to take over. It's a robot uprising. I knew I shouldn't have left those AAA batteries in the trash.
It's okay. Look at me. Look. Look at me. Just look at me. Just keep your eyes on me. They won't find us. They can't see unless you move. So don't move. Saw us. Dude,
Where's the goose? I can't see it.
I can't see the goose either. Oh no. Oh no! I don't want to move. I'm too scared.
I don't want to die!
No! Oh no! They turned you into a cyborg! I knew this day would come! Tend! Bigger garden! The only thing I can do to protect myself is bring you back to your human needs. And to you. They know what I'm doing. I need to reprogram you.
Just,
Huh?
I am aware.
Oh, you're back. You're back. What?
I don't. Who am I?
You have a garden.
Garden.
What's the beeping?
Uh,
Is that Morse code?
I believe my heart is beating.
Your
I know I have
heart?
a heart.
It's crazy that your heart beats in Morse code. It's saying 10 to the garden.
Okay.
You need to take care of your garden. Even though you are a robot, you still have a soul. And we can work together to protect it.
Okay.
Oh no. Keep away from us. Keep away from us.
I will.
No.
befriend
No, you can't befriend it.
Goose.
I know.
Goose.
I know what it seems like.
Mm.
Oh, I think it's a real goose.
This is what real is?
Yeah, that's reality. That's real. That's called real.
Hello, little goose. Would you like to tend my garden?
I never knew that robots could love. Yes, you can love too. Any of you. All of you can love. All it takes is a little bit of patience, a little bit of time, and a little bit of compassion.
Downloading love. System error.
No! No! Why? All I wanted was love. All I wanted was love. Please.
Goose.
And
That
see.
scene.
Good.
Oh, I was so invested in that story.
All I wanted was love.